hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most common annoying error you might be seeing on the Snapchat. Something went wrong, as you can see guys. So how to fix this all something went wrong error messages on your Snapchat in your Android phone. So let's get started one by one. Okay, so when you get this error, so if the internet connection is not good, okay, so if you're using mobile data or Wi-Fi, you need to check your internet connection. Okay, if the internet connection is low or very slow, at that time you can definitely face this kind of problem error on the Snapchat. So first you need to sort out your internet issue. If in case the internet is very good, working fine, and then you are facing this error, you can try the next method. Now you need to update your app. To update the app, open the Google Play Store, and here you need to search Snapchat. Okay, so if the app update is available, just simply go ahead, update your app. After updating, now you need to check your phone date and time setting. If the phone date and time setting is incorrect, you need to correct this, and then you can try the next method. Tap and hold on your Snapchat app, open the app info, and then go to storage. You need to clear the caches. Okay, and then close your settings and restart your phone one time. After restarting, you need to open your app. Now it will definitely fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now you need to log out and log in back your Snapchat account on your phone. So in case still your problem was not solving, now you can try the next method. Once again, go to your Snapchat app info. Now you need to clear the storage. Okay, go to manage storage. So just you need to delete the app data. So remember one thing guys, so these all settings will reset. Snap will permanently delete the following app data like Snapchat, login, setting, personal info, app activity, everything. Okay, if you confirm this, and then you need to delete these settings. Okay, that's it. Or if you are using any VPN on your phone, you need to disable the VPN. To disable the VPN, go to phone settings, go to connection, go to more connection settings. If you are using VPN, you need to disable the VPN. One more thing guys, if you are using any private DNS server, you need to set the private DNS mode to off or automatic. Okay, and then save the settings and restart your phone one time. After restarting, open the app. Now you can easily able to use your Snapchat. So these are the easy and simple method to fix all something went wrong error for the Snapchat app. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.